In this video, I will show you step by step how to make another page from the Alphabet Quiet Book series. The charming hedgehog has two types of spikes. One is movable and the other has holes through which the shoelace can be threaded to train fine motor skills of the hands. You will also find a sewn shoelace on the belly, through which you can thread the letter H, symbolizing the name hedgehog, and tie a bow. Patterns to make it you will find in the video description. So let's get started. We will need stiff felt, scissors, vanishing markers, hole punch, hot glue, shoelaces, muslin or fabric marker. Prepare first pattern with the title APC Quiet Book Hedgehog Part 1 and cut it out. Place pattern on pink felt, outline shape with vanishing marker, then cut it out along the drawn line. In the next step, take patterns titled Hedgehog Part 2, cut out, place on dark brown and grey felt, outline and cut out to make right felt elements. Place brown element on the base page, 40 mm from the bottom edge, and sew along the edge. Grey element place on top, 33 mm from the bottom edge, and sew only from here to this place. Now please prepare the last patterns of the title Hedgehog Part 3 and create felt elements based on them. In these two paper patterns, make holes in the places of dots. Place this pattern on creamy element and draw dots in the places of holes with vanishing marker. Then place black circles in the places of dots, the cheeks below, ears here, and the nose in the center, and sew it along the edge with orange, black, brown, and pink thread. In the next step, I will embroider twinkles in the eyes with French knot method using muslin. How to make it step by step I explain in another video. The link is at the top of the screen. Below the nose, I draw a smile with a vanishing marker. Then I will draw it again with fabric marker. You can also embroider it with brown muslin. At the top of the screen has just appeared the link to video where I showed how to make it step by step. Below the cheeks, place creamy elements. We will start sewing from here to this place and from here to this place. At the beginning and end of sewing, sew forward and back and repeat 3 times. Letter H place on orange felt and sew along the edge. The upper and lower threads are orange. Now please cut off excess felt along the edge of the letter. Place this pattern on ready elements so that they overlap and draw dots in the places of holes. Then make holes here with a hole punch. Choose the largest size, mine is 5 mm. Place letter on the belly and draw dots in the places of holes. Then make holes here in the same way as before. Place ready element on the base page, 25 mm from the bottom edge, and draw dots in the places of holes. Prepare a shoelace 60 cm long, fold it in half, and glue its middle point between the drawn dots using hot glue. Then insert the ends of the laces through the holes. Then place the element as before, 25 mm from the bottom edge, and sew along the edge. The last element place on top and sew it only from here to this place. At the beginning and end of sewing, sew forward and back and repeat 3 times. Now we can finish the base page, place it on pink felt and sew along the edge. The upper and lower threads are pink. Now please cut off excess felt along the edge of the base page. On brown spikes, draw dots and make holes to the hole punch. Choose the largest size. at the end with a second shoelace. And letter H. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this project. I will be very grateful for your comments or likes. See you in the next video. Bye bye!